Hi dears! Today I will repaint Minifee Mika. It's a boy's mold, but he is sweet enough to have a feminine makeup. I don't really like these closed eyes, so I fix it. I mark new eyeline with pencil. Then I use X-Acto knife and sandpaper to get the result. And now you can see the difference. Also, I remove the excess from the inside of the head to insert the eyes. So, the next step is a face-up. I already sealed the face with Vallejo matte sealant. Using a thin brush and tempera paint, I make accents in the corner of the mouth. I add some blushing and color to the lips with soft pastel. I prefer to paint eyeline with black Derwent Inkten pencil. These pencils are more vibrant than watercolor. The final step is adding gloss to the lips. And simple face up is done. I like how it turned out, do you? Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!